Molly,
Gail,
Molly,
sir.
Molly, what's happening?
What's the emergency? Phone.
Auntie Gail. Emergency.
Is it an emergency?
What's the emergency? What's happened, Molly? What's the emergency? Has something happened to Auntie Gail?
There was the emergency.
Oh, just the emergency.
What emergency is it?
The emergency.
Yeah, the emergency.
Who's on the phone? Who's on the phone, Molly? Molly, who's on the phone?
Come and tell me all about it. Come on. What's the emergency? Who's on the phone? Hello? It's for Molly. Molly, it's for you. Yes? Oh, that's the emergency. Here you are, Molly.
Hello.
Who is it, Molly?
It's Auntie Gail. It's emergency.
What are you going to tell her? Tell her it's all right. Don't worry.
We're not go back today. Now. Just reading a book.
You're just reading a book.
Just reading
Should we send that to Auntie Gail? Say bye-bye to Auntie Gail.
that one. I don't
Can
know.
you send video?
Pick up the phone and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Auntie
I can
Gail.
say bye-bye on the phone.
Bye-bye, Gail.